Hi my dears, today I'm gonna show you how to make a very nice wallet from these leathers. It's a new snake embossed leather and also red leather and black leather. So let's get started. This is the snake leather. It's very fine Italian leather. I made the pattern. I will use it for the first time, so we will see what will happen. These are the parts, and it will be a folded wallet with tic-tac buttons. It will look something like this with card holder. And let's try. First we have to draw the base. It will be made by the snake leather. Let's draw it and cut the piece we need. That's why there is a defect, so that's why be careful when you cut the leather. For the card holder and the bottom part I will use this red leather. Again, use the pattern, draw it, the small piece also. Now let's cut them. They are ready. Now the small piece for the tic-tac button. So to have an idea, I will put the card holder on this side and the button will be there. It will be like this. Now for the other part we will use this black leather. This part will be enough. Let's draw it. And cut the last piece. It will be a classic combination. I will show you in the end why. It will be a surprise for you. So it will be the cover with the tic-tac button. Let's mark where the wallet will be folded. And here we will have to make a small cut for the tic-tac button part, because our wallet will be closed with the button. Let's check now what we did. Is it correct? It fits perfectly. Again, let's try. It's okay. So now we have to stitch the red part. Double check, because the tic-tac button has to be on the right place. Let's mark it. And now the other tic-tac button. This one will cover the pocket. We stitch the parts. And now we have to add the tic-tac buttons. They are made of 4 parts, as you know. So now we have to make the holes. Let's try them. Also, I will use some small leather pieces to make the place for the button a little bit thicker. They are on their right place. Now we have to fix them. I have to change the type of the metal parts. It's a kind of lesson how to add tic-tac buttons. Now the one part, make some muscles. It's okay. And now for the other part of the tic-tac button, we will use the other metal parts. Okay, we did it. So now let's try. Perfect. They are on the right place. Now repeat the same operation with the other tic-tac button, which will cover all the wallet. I did it. So let's check again. It's very nice and everything is correct. Now we have to add the card holder. Let's check and put the red part on the right place. We have to fix it to be easier to stitch. A little glue will help. I did it, so it's stitched. Now we have to fix the side parts again with glue. We have to fix them, but first I will put a little bit glue on the leather parts with the button just to fix them well. Put some glue on both sides, fold it, and we will see the right shape of the wallet, how it will look. It's almost done. Make the same on the other side. And our wallet is almost ready. All the parts are on their places. It's stitched. So now we will cut the threads. We will fix them, and final try with the buttons. Perfect. It looks nice and ready to be used. Okay, now moment of truth. Credit card, ID card, and this pocket will be used for the keys. In this case, you can use it for coins. It's closed, so now the surprise. I made it for my bag. You can find this bag in my shop, as well as the wallet. It's a very fashion and extravagant bag. I used the same leathers. You can make a set, or you can make somebody very happy with this bag or with the wallet. The bag has also a shoulder strap. Let's try. There is enough space. Here is our wallet. We did a good work. That's all for today. If you like the video, please leave a comment, like, share, and see you soon. Be happy and bye till the next time.